All right, so we have some more iPhone cases from iBlason this time. You can check all these out in the link in the description. We do have the regular iPhone 14, 14 Plus, and 14 Pro series up in here. Made some new packaging adjustments. I can see that. Last time I did cooperation with them, they had different packaging. Now they have different, newer packaging. It looks really nice. So it's like a speckled gold and black theme here. So we have 4 different styles. Their armor box apparently. So we have the tilt version. Let's go and check it out. Looks like it's a blue model here. So this is for the regular 6.1 inch iPhone here. I don't have the dummy units anymore. If you haven't seen me do the drop test, I did a drop test on it with other cases, but look at this. It's called the box case. It has this little kickstand here. Very nice. Made out of like a metal or aluminum. Has this nice rigid pieces right there. Looks really good. 2-piece case, meaning you do have to take it out like this. I'll only show this part once, but you basically take it out once. You can put your phone in right there, very simply. So on the right hand side, you do have textured side and then differentiating for the button. All the buttons and cutouts there, speaker as well. You have a little flap here to protect it from dust and some rain resistance and stuff like that. So that's the blue case right there. We do have that same style in a Moov case, which is basically their purple here. So you got that metallic purple look right there. Same exact protection, cutouts. You can remove this screen protector. It does have a built-in one. You can easily just get a little, you also do have their black version. So no matter what phone you get, black always goes good with everything. As you can see, and it comes with these little holsters and installation guides as well. Look at that black, nice look to it. Obviously, they all have those kickstands. They're easier to open this time, and very good protection too. TPU, plastic, nice rubber. These corners are highly rounded off and just good for shock absorption. I have done drop tests of similar cases like this, if you haven't seen that video, for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We do have their Frost version, which I personally prefer this one. This one looks really good. I would personally rock one of these. Look at that Frost, that looks dope. Even the holster is like a frosted look, which is really cool. So look at that. That would look super nice. I will demonstrate it for the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max. The other ones I did break on accident, so. The blue 2-piece style case. So you can easily just peel that off right there. And then it's a 2-piece case as well. It's a little bit thinner, so you can actually have a better grip, but really good protection as well. Camera resivity on that as well. Buttons and everything has a nice little cutout for your ringer. Since you don't really use the ringer all the time, and even if you do, you don't want dirt and grime in there. So very cool protection on this one. All right, so right when I was about to post, they sent 2 more. Looks like they have the MagSafe series as well, and a Jasper color. So this is what that Jasper is looking like. Looks like a X or something. Looks really good. Has a little kickstand on the bottom. That's pretty cool. Comes in a holster right there. Look at that 2-piece case, 2 style green. Buttons and cutouts. They have textured. This is all textured in the back. Pretty cool. 14 Plus right there. And then we do have the MagSafe version, as you can see. 14 Plus MagSafe in black. 2-piece case. So gray in the front, black in the back. But I'm gonna get into the Pro models just to show off the Pro series here. So we have the purple. Let's go ahead and peel this off here. Very nice. So like I said, you can easily just push this out or just use an X-Acto knife and just take it out that way. It's really easy and simple. So you just insert your phone here, face forward first, and then you go ahead and apply it like this. Very simple. Push it down, and then you have to seal these little lips here. Very easy, and that's how it's gonna look. Looks really good. Look how elegant that looks. Even if you get the black version to the case, you do have that little kickstand as well. So you have a good viewing angle. We're gonna get into the black one. So if you want an all black look, you can get this one here. And this is what that would look like. Looks really good. Obviously, you can't go wrong with the black case. Really nice, very stealthy. Looks really good. That's the kickstand there. And we do have the Frost, which this is my favorite, like I said. I want to show this one off. This one's gonna be really cool. And this is what that frosted look is gonna look like. It looks so sick. I personally love this style. It's rare to see frosted looks, but very nice. Look at that. You can see some of the color shining through the phone case. What it says right here, iBlason, right there. I don't know if you can see it. Really nice case. So we have the tilt. So this is the blue version. And this is what that blue would look like. Love that blue. Azure and Moov. So the blue and the purple for that little style look of case here. So this is gonna be interesting. We got, I'm gonna unbox both of them at the same time real quick. So this is what they look like here, with the blue and the purple. And this is what that 14 would look like in that purple colorway. Very clean looking case here. And you won't get smudges or fingerprints or anything else like that instantly, like most other cases, as you can see. So it's a little bit of less of a fingerprint magnet, which is nice. Get one of these cases, you won't want to, you know, miss out on an opportunity that will easily save you hundreds of dollars. And they're inexpensive. So if you guys want to check them out, link is in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.